to win games like this?
We just never quit. We always think there's a chance. We always know there's a chance. And this team is resilient, man. We never put our heads down. We keep fighting possession by possession, and we did it.
What were you seeing in the first half? The three-point shots weren't going, shot only about 20% from three. What was happening in the first half, and how did you turn it around?
We didn't get stops. We didn't play defense. We weren't talking. We weren't engaged in the defensive end, so it made the offensive end a lot tougher. And I think in the second half, especially a little bit in the third quarter and a lot at the end of the fourth quarter, we were just so engaged. We were talking. We were helping each other out, and that got our offense going.
That last possession, that last score by Avery, I think the entire building thought the ball was going to you. What was that play about?
I was the decoy. I mean, like you said, I think everybody thinks the ball's going to me, and a follow didn't help off me, and it gave Avery an open lane to drive, and he had a hell of a layup.
All wins are important, but how important is this 13-game home winning streak to you guys protecting your home floor?
It's very important. We wanted to take advantage of this home stand and just continue to build confidence, and we know we owe it to these fans, man. They give us the energy, and they give us the excitement, and we try to give it back to them.
Thanks, Isaiah.
All right, thank you.
Mike?